This is grade 5, module 4, lesson 24. And the objective in this lesson is to solve word problems using fraction and decimal multiplication. Okay, so the first example I'm going to show you is coming from homework problem number 3. And it reads, a community bike ride offers a short 5.7-mile ride for children and families. The short ride is followed by a long ride, 5 2/3 times as long as the short ride for adults. If a woman bikes the short ride with her children and then the long ride with her friends, how many miles does she ride altogether? So let's go ahead with our target sentence. And that reads, the woman rides blank miles altogether. Okay, so we're going to look at the information that is given to us, and we know that the community bike ride offers a short ride of 5.7 miles, and that the long ride is 5 2/3 times as long. So I'm going to use a tape diagram for this, and the short ride I'm going to represent with this tape right here. So then the long ride is going to be, let's see, 5 2/3 of that. And to do this, we're going to pretend all of these segments right now are equal. So I have, pointing out right here, 5 and 5.7 miles. And the long ride is going to be 5 2/3 times as long. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this last section I'm actually going to divide into thirds because I'm only talking about 2 out of the 3 units for that one. So to find out the amount that she rides, I need to find out how many are going to be in these 2/3 here. So I have my 5.7. And if I have my 5.7 and I divided it by 3, I have an answer of 1.9. So each one of these sections here is 1.9. So now I'm going to have to find out how much she rode altogether. And I did that by multiplying 5.7 times 6 because I have 6 pieces here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why I did 5.7 times 6. And I have a product of 34.2. And then I had those 2 pieces that were 1.9. And I multiplied that by 2 to get 3.8. I add those products together and I have an answer of 38. So the woman rides 38 miles altogether. Now let's take a look at homework problem number 5. And homework problem number 5 reads, in the 5th grade at Lenape Elementary School, there are 4/5 as many students who do not wear glasses as those who do wear glasses. If there are 60 students who wear glasses, how many students are in the 5th grade? Okay, so I'm going to use a tape diagram to solve this one as well. So let's start with our target sentence. And that reads, there are blank students in 5th grade. So let's look at what we do know. We know that there are 4/5 as many students who do not wear glasses as those who do wear glasses. And we know how many students do wear glasses. It's 60. Okay, so let's set up a tape diagram for that. Okay, so the ones who do wear glasses I have represented here as 5 units. And then do nots will be 4 units. And each one of the units is the same amount. So we're going to imagine that they're all equal. So I do know that the ones who wear glasses is 60. So if I have 60 altogether, then those 5 in each one of these units is going to be 12. Let's see if I can do that here. Which gives me a total of 60 here. And that means that each one of these are 12 as well. So the number that do not wear glasses is 48. Now the question wants to know how many students are in the 5th grade. So that would include all of the students who do wear glasses and all of the students who do not wear glasses. And when I add those together, I have an answer of 108. So there are 108 students in the 5th grade.